For reading today, we are in week 3, and then scroll down. We're in day 11, and our topic is animal science, specifically bears. Our fiction story is Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. And our nonfiction book is A Bear Cub Grows Up by Pam Zolman. So as usual, after you press Take Me There, these are some different things you can check out. So first you press Take Me There. When you're here, you can watch the story Bear Snores On by pressing here or here, and you can read the book A Bear Cub Grows Up by pressing here or here. When you're done, you can do these activities under Puzzlers, Word Match, Fact or Fiction, which came first, and you can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. When you're done, please click out and log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. When you're done with that, please do your phonics lesson. And if you have time today, make sure to practice your reading.